Are your teachers struggling with STEM? Well, one of our students just joined the Genius Society Mensa, and it's no accident. At Little STEM Masters, we know exactly how to unlock a child's full potential, and we can do the same for your school. We turn confusion into confidence. With hands-on coaching, we'll work side by side with your teachers in the classroom, performing science experiments and making STEM exciting for your students.
Hey. Was today cool? Y'all like that?
Yes.
All right, y'all ready to do some more science?
Yeah.
Okay, so someone just raise your hand and tell me one thing that you learned today.
We learned about magnetism and that different magnets have different amounts of power.
The North Pole pull more than the South.
Okay.
What I learned is that, you know how the stick one is a little bit more powerful than the other one? It won't stick in the middle because it's not equivalent.
Remember, AEIOU, we always make STEM easy for you at Little STEM Masters.